What's up, everybody? My name is Sanal Rakam. In an Electron application, you may want to open the file and save and send various messages. Electron provides an API for this operation. Using this API, we can easily communicate with the user. I'll show you 4 dialog methods in this API on this video. I need to add 2 buttons and a text area to the index.html page. Select the first button, text file, and print the data in the selected file to the text area. The second button will record the value on text area, letting the user know with a message of the result of saving. Let's start by adding buttons. Open index.html and define a button. ID open file. Value is open. And close button. And define a second button. Button ID is save file. Value is save. And break. I need to add a text area. Text area ID is editor and define a style. Width is 500 pixel and height is 500 pixel. Close the text area tag. Let's open the dialog when the button is clicked. I will use the IPC module for this operation because the dialog module is also running in the main process. I queried data to main process with IPC and define a script tag. Define a IPC renderer module. Require Electron. I need a function to get the button clicked. Let's define a function. Function open file. I need to set the onClick event on the button to this function. OnClick button is open file button is here and OnClick event open file function and submit the clicked information. I use a IPC renderer dot send method. Method name is clicked button. Message is true. I will select the file in the main.js file and send the data in the file to the client again. So I can print to the text area. Ctrl S and open main.js. I need to define the dialog before using it. Const dialog module require Electron and const IPC main module require Electron again. I will perform file operation using file system. So I define file system. Variable fs require fs. Ctrl S. I am using IPC main on method to catch requests from client. Define a IPC main method. IPC main dot on method catch the requests from client. Method name is clicked button. Copy and paste. Click button and event and argument. If argument is true, we open the dialog. If arg equal true, open the dialog. I use the dialog module. Dialog dot open show open dialog. Filters first parameter and callback function second parameter. We can adjust the filters with the first parameter. With the second parameter, we can define the operation to be performed after the file is opened. Let's just filter for text file. Delete it and filters. Define name is text extensions is txt and define a callback function. Function parameter is file names. After reading the file, we read the data. Let's do the empty check. If file names equal undefined, return, and where file name equal file names index 0 and read the file name variable. I use a file system fs.read file method. First parameter file name and second parameter UTF-8 and function error and data. Send data to client event dot sender method dot send. Name is file data. Message is data. Let's check the data at index.html and print it. Ctrl S and open index.html. Define a IPC renderer on method. IPC renderer.on. Name is file name. Method name is file name and event and data. Let's print a text array. Document dot get element by ID. Text array ID is editor. Dot value equal data. Ctrl S. Run the Electron. Electron dot. Developer tools is open and click open button is here. Show dialog.txt. Okay. Now I will save the value of the text area. I write the save file function on the onClick event of the save button. Save file. Save file is here. Define an onClick event. Save file. Function. Create the save file function. Function. Save file. We must send the data in the text area to the main page. Var data equal document dot get element by ID editor dot value is data and IPC renderer dot send method. Name is click save and message is data. Ctrl S. I will capture and save this data on the main page. Open main.js. Define a apc main on method. apc main.on. Click save. save, and event arg. Dialog module. I use a dialog module. Show save dialog. Again, filters and callback function. As with Open Dialog, the filter and callback parameters are also available in the save dialog. Let's define a filter. Filters name is a text, extension is a txt. Okay, and define a callback function. Again, file name. Let's check. File name equal undefined, return. I do check file. We must write the data to the file when we are saving the file. fs dot write file. File name, argument, and function. er. arg represent data from client. Run the Electron. Developer tool is here and click Save button. I write text area. Hello. Click Save button. Hello name. Save it. This is hello.txt. Opened. Name is hello. Finally, show the save message to the user. fs dot write file method is here, and if error equal undefined, dialog dot show message box. Show message box. Message is file saved. If there is an error, we should show the error message. Else, dialog dot show error box. Is error title and error content. Error title can be written in error. Error can be written in the error content parameter. Run the Electron, Ctrl S. Hello to. Click Save button. Hello to. Click Save. File saved is here. OK. Message box as seen. Now change the if command and display it in the line message. Not equal. Ctrl S and run the Electron. Hello. Error. Click Save button and hello 3. Error title and error contact is here. Error bus as seen. In this video, I showed you the standard dialog window in Electron. I also showed how filtering works. Thanks for watching.